SHS for omo atron so hwe awie. Yes, graduation omo awie enti awofo ni bia kosu mu o ye cha achede pii ani ade. Na ebi de cars yakoche wo mama. In fact, bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. Na yenhwe what happened. No ma bebre asisi wo schools ahodo ni bi mu. Na yegyina so edi nkomo kakra. This is St. Monica Senior High School. Inti mu amunhu se bibi akoso no. Oba Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 a. Maami wei eba besia neba. Na wato brand new car. Chese car no utimi se tier rubber kama pa. Ena ode abra kwada no. Na otwe ne koka no ho. Esa ede flowers ni ade bia ma no nti car ni nie. Kama pa nye ka ketwa efe pa kola no kra dan ni tears of joy o su kra bra Facebook Mami K no ya to car beche no nti uba Facebook na behwe a Mami K car no o mami dia about me so mami no so ye guy
Mami K Poppers.
Eji oba Facebook na obehwa we St. Monica's dia isi and I will show you more. While sir ye downloading ye honkwa ne call a course so mia bebre and of course oba Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 person will share how things went nafi where to me I appreciate why decisions have been made any ade bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 na bra behwa ade St. Monica's dia no na me de kire wo no you could appreciate how things went by one kasa wani na wahwe awofo na e bai no we so a different place we another school and also say ne papa na waba no we don't know whether the father but all share comments na see some of them seem to know him and saying say daddy has done well, so it means say ne papa na ono so car ne de abre no kama pa say wo hwa bra Facebook be hwa de
Congratulations, yeah. Okay, we're waiting for you.
Jeff, show me the other one too. Na yenko isn't Opokuware also. One of them yenhwe enoso de baby a enoso de no said ye isikoye ono de ne Opokuware. Ye man cash of 20,000 Ghana cedis. Opokuware ya. Ono so ne de no behwe o Facebook Nhyira 104. Guy no champagne. And I is one more atwa utumi say sika so ne yahye 200 Ghana nkwa o ene yahye no money buke enya asem ketwa kra ena yahye sika na egu nkra 200 Ghana na yahye no 20,000 ene de amano say wawie school we ye Honda CRV enye car ketwa Honda CRV ene ato amano say wawie SHS ye dey best surprise no ne maame enti your maame ne gina ho no dey best surprise no say we real school na all these things are esi no ana dey akoso no the Ministry of Education ede krata ababontin na wonmo say wabane sa lavish post wasi celebrations no campus na oma wone say headmaster ana say school penny bi abema kwan ama ye de gifts to say cars eni sa money bouquet ni bi aba no asem wo ho ohu be kire Inti saa warning no aba. Now, what we ask ourselves, and they say, a good move. Myself, me who says sa response ya na make us say yes. This response show clearly say ya ma kwansi and celebrate graduation, but now you need regulation. Ya ma kwan so omutimi celebrate graduation, but ceremony need to make also, but you need regulation. Say ye ni say and ye ni say. Nti afei and ampenifo adwene abesi so. Because some of these practices SHS is even time I say social media aba bebree and exposes adien, because these things have been going on bebree over the years. Ekoso. Now I would say it's a good decision, and the reason ministry ni ma yene say ebe prevents that unnecessary competition among students. They be parent aba or no be feel say inequality no media say mean same fatasi we won the nim chair me say we sa comparison ne be ba my very competitive ni ade ewo abrabo mu de sabe ye nyina ne nam obi tumi hu obi bibi na ni bebre na ni bebre obi supra wo hu a wo mfa ho na ye wo ye bi anya nasem. In fact, school na wo mu no ye wo school bi wo ho no ma de bia obi papa de car besi no ye wo school san kwada kwa de bia obi papa de car besi no bi so fa fam and ye call visiting hours no kra na ye wo no ma ye de bire binum ebinum nya that same normal from parents. Ye ra chobos mu a chobos wo mu di ko school yi obi ane no ma wo de be ko school akola bi timi ko hwe ne yonko chobos mu na ne ra ho no ho senti ni papa wo ho. It is how no many differences ni the inequalities ni the wo. But going to the extent say the cars any sika ebe flaunt wo ho no a problem, and I agree with the ministry. Say such decisions have been taken say yen bani and I say yen jai sa de no say be best stop unnecessary competition. At the end of the day, me dwene ho a kwa chiri na me hu say ye ka ye school mu any reason ministry ni dia madea. Then there are so many activities across your educational system ni mu a esi etimi hwe. Se woko ye suku ni mu a even from the basic schools ubehu de ekoso baako a meka ho asem ye our day. Me de tu dwan mahu se manfo sha mesro our day de enko. But you see the ministry's reason anase enyim eyi omode ba ni se omo mpesa akwada bia be feel se as one de won sem fata, because obi maame aye bibia ebru obi de so. And ye stopping that unnecessary competition. No? Ye for our day, basic school, primary ni adena ekosuna. Let's look at normal AC wo. Eduane a ebinumu de beba. Ebimu okra ye ko order ye eduane ne kama. Ahye a pizza no maybe kama. At the drinks a ye ke kan wo di bedi our day. Ye wi o maame ahye ni suit. Ahye na tade a edimu kama edenaba. No wabedi our day no. And kwada ni bi wo kra se bi nika no keke onya shaba no mpaboa kra no onya bi. It is high inequality competition no ebe wo hostel. Sa celebrations na ekoso se ye hwede then it has to be on a broader scope. Nanu bi no obi ka se ode banku ene meko ni enchinam ene ma ne ba eko awade. Oko awade no kokoduru ho no. Na ni teacher ni ka se na wo manfo de fried rice na manfo de pizza ne ade na eba no na wo maame so ade ne wo de banku ne enchinam ene de ama na ade aba awade. O se akwada ne ba fi na akwada ne isu ma wa ma banku ne enchinam na mi teacher say me de ne nye. It is happening even at the basic level. And no maybe we say can ye say ye hwene ya preventing no maybe de ne ya preventing generally, because if you baby na duru baby parent way or shall see free our day. And who see it to me the normal a bro suit me rescue koye bad or ye. And what ye do SHS. So it started from somewhere. Ye can't yen baby free. To wash share more to no share fried rice share wenu or the aquala way free day nursery one word no nursery one word deny yen san or ye do SHS. It SHS yen a graduate with the extent says what talk man. So we should just open our lenses and look at it from a broader scope. When we now wo primary school no mo maame no di wo birthday ma wo classroom enti birthday celebrations were classroom apart from our day no eno so ese yehwe obi wo ho a de afi bi obi di ne ba birthday e wo classroom obeko school mu na wa ma teacher fo na ye no ma organize enti class e course no kra kwa bena manu. Today is his birthday. Near the cake yabesi classroom. Then colliding nyina sing happy birthday to him. Near twitwa cake ni aye. Obisu ma me sabi bofro to kura won't mean top my class was any band birthday would be celebrating no. And that inequality no still na ebekoso. That competition no still na ebekoso. I'm just opening our lenses to the extent say and no ma bebre wo ho a ekoso a apart from this no SM penifo so reni ye. Another one e ka ho e career day. You do career day. Parents ni bi wo ha omutumi ton tade ni bi ema wo mo ma no school bi create mi ka kire nkwala nse we nya career day atade ni bi a ema school bi timi ka kire nkwada no se career day no ma me antimi ampam nurse atade wantimi ampam police atade wantimi ampam we ya ama se engineer de wanto bi ama wa ema school mu because day no obi abehye bi ti maame ne papa wantimi anto bi ama ne ba no kire se ne ba no sa ada no career day no wantimi nko school mu. This is happening in our schools. It is a preventing unnecessary competition there. All these things must be looked at. Nenye selective. We shouldn't look at only this one. Because you're celebrating birthday, our classroom, school phone be soon timinye no. We ya. Because graduation ceremony, birthday celebration, ni celebration. So if you are looking at it, it should be on a broader scope. Now, SHS diedo ena me wasem kakra ka wo looking at a normal AC na yes ankwada we nyina enjoy free SHS akwada yetimi che ne car akwada ne papa timi to car che no wahu akwada owie school a yetimi bra no 20,000 money bouquet na yes opapa ehia no nti aban disika tua akwada we free sisa akosu obewie. Free SHS asem na making. In fact, I've said it's a free SHS is a good policy. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo government did very well, so what they buy. But the intention, and I said the purpose of the free SHS no, who implementation ye. Nenya me na meka. Implementation no me see yehu ni ye. Na gratifo aka ho asem je fato sumame. Na gratifo se etwa se ye review noma ene kwan e fa so ye free SHS no. Nana edabinya we ya na grad for dia o mo kan no ewo ho say omo concerns about how the free SHS ye dey start ye review free SHS na grad omo proposals ahodo omo dey buy no including those say so omo benefit na grad e kan ho asem. In fact who ko wadi mu a Akufo-Addo under Akufo-Addo IMF ye wura mu akwaje 3 billion Akufo-Addo kan ho asem say free SHS no hu ni say no ma bi nko yie enti wo be rationalize no ma bi wo be ni yie. Jeff no mama na odi kan de buy no we will review and rationalize free SHS. Government confesses to IMF. Ko wani mfa ba akono mama de etwa so na menkan mu kakra. Or say in the education sector we will review and rationalize the free senior high school program. We will continue our support to tertiary education blah 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 blah. It is said that they will review and rationalize it. There are things that does not really make sense. No money be wo ha. And be near now almost kasa page 76 155 page report to the IMF public spending efficiency. How are you spending yesika ye di Ghana skado kwan aban kire so obefa so na wahwe ni yie se be ye yesika die mu no ebekọ yie no e na wo twere wo mu so obehwe free SHS mu yie sa report ni mu an wo troye teacher say public spending efficiency ni mu no the free SHS policy was not ensuring that omo behwe no review and rationalize Akufo-Addo na kan Jeff safa date ni mame that was on what 31st January 2024. Etiachel said we have gotten to a point where we need to look at certain things within the free SHS. Mahama Nsoka in 2018 or say I will review free SHS policy if elected as president. Many stakeholders have spoken about this. Echre said there's a challenge with it apart from the double track. Any the Akokoa, there is a real challenge with the free SHS. I say you looking at. I've told you it's a good policy. As we speak, Haruna Idris say from 1.2 billion in 2028 I above free SHS Omokano. Say I drew 4 billion Ghana cedis. Every year I buy spending 4 billion Ghana cedis. I will free SHS. But my main show the entire free SHS wo Jeff implementation in my bra ye de ba Matthew Opoku prempe And now omudi anymore a lunch here and the implementation of the free senior high school program by the Honorable Minister for Education, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. Objectives in the saying, dear na omujina so they are implementing free SHS no. Dear near the free SHS by Jeff Fato Sumame. Bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. The objectives are main objectives near 5. The first one they say remove cost barriers. Tie, remove cost barriers through the absorption of fees. Absorption of fees approved by GES Council. The next one, expand physical school infrastructure. And the other ones, was improve quality through provision and improve equity near the other. So, but the first one is what I want to talk about because yes, it relates to that. Also, remove cost barriers. The implementation of the free SHS was to ensure, say, awofua sikenti, omuntimi informuma enko SHS a man kwada bebre tena fie no. Say free SHS we no ebeyi eka no a esim kwada ne kwan omuntimi nko school no afri ho. Yes, spend 4 billion as of now, over 4 billion, or say 4.2 billion. From 1.2, you increase 4.2 billion and you spend it. But the issue, they be increase, and the issue is that our for any sikano, our much roman team, man in team SHS no, and nunti ni yisa a canon sikasem who how no every woman quadani in a timia como mintimincono. By besides, a parent we are. Womubejina ho timi talkers. Ede ye gifty parents ya omuya money bouquet ede ma wo mumai. Are you telling me say they are too poor say they should benefit from this scholarship free SHS? Are they too poor to say you almost benefited from that? And I make kind say some of the things doesn't make sense to me. Okay, obi say national cake. It's not national cake based on the objective. Objectives you know what? Or say to remove cost barriers. Tinyo obia but ade binti no mo ye de ntia omo ehia won a omo ntimi inform ba no continue ye de ntia spreading across enkrofu we cost si wo mo kwan otimi toka maneba wabra ye wo a teacher for about 90,000 etifie nkwada no kura teachers e be kire o ma de kura ho ayeden 90,000 tifie advance this year obetumi employ only 7,000 out of 90,000. Abansi obetumi employ only 7,000 out of 90,000. When you go to the infrastructure side, still double track near the no so kra high. Mahamazi by 2027 obe ensure say ebe end. But we ask ourselves say sika 4 billion say yetimi rationalizing ye ni ka say out of it. Yema ehiafo no omuni bie ni ade which is not even difficult to do. To know parents on to me a pay. It is a yayanesa near kase parents are and kwada omo to remove cost barriers on papa no mintia. Now this thing should cover them, and of course we remove omo ebetumi atua no mo bi betumi atua ediaboa. I think say we can save money to employ more and then actually enhance infrastructure. This is my proposal, my suggestion, because Osha say you save 1 billion Ghana cedis. Mamenchro say ye ma omo ebetumi atua no atua na ye hwe hia buburofo no a na yetimi save even 1 billion Ghana cedis out of the 4 billion. Unim teachers ebetumi employ omo. The teachers omo ye lower levels no ya form fresh e bi ye lower levels no aketua omo gye no. Say obi aje 5,000 the attorney says you 1 billion Ghana cedis you betumi for teachers 200,000. Say you mo obi ampo 5,000 fani say teacher ni bia kra you the 10,000 cedis a month ya a year. In fact say can you bomu a year you for 200,000 5 e bia 1 month ye ka bomu. But in a year 5 times the 12 no ebema you saying 60, right? 5 times 12 no bema you 60. It you say can say 5,000 no it will be abenya 60,000 a year teacher for no na ye bubu mu a. It means that we can take some thousands of teachers account. What you say? You bet me for thousands account. It didn't mean save monies from there. Now yen said the focus of the free SHS nanga say you bet me edi hojuma. Because me of course say there needs to be a review. The original purpose was to remove cost barriers. But what do we see? The parents will be to me aboying now on more fees in Ibi just to save money for other purposes. And who here say yes, I rethink him. Now you're doing him. And I've said earlier, say the policy Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo appreciated there was a problem. Nat appreciated, he said there was a problem. John Dramani Mahama himself appreciated there was a problem, especially with the implementation, because stakeholder engagement and some of them think say are not sufficient. In as much as we are banning all these things, it's also clearly telling us say any parents in na poor. Na fees e bi tua kra wo private school and say no money tertiary na nya fees ketwa. And so we should take a real look at it, because parents obeto car amane but we hear free SHS. They all need to, because the purpose is to remove cost barriers. And that's my take. Let's take a real look at the free SHS policy to save money for other things. And who here in the education sector? Very, very necessary. That's my take on the issue. Ebusia, mediation.
Nhyira 104.5 FM.